Hi, my name is Julie Jules. I'm a two-time Emmy award-winning makeup artist, and I'm going to show you how to apply eyeliner like a pro. Today, I'm going to be using the Alamar Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade Black. You might be wondering why gel liner versus liquid. Great question. It's a lot easier to work with, and it's way more forgiving. Pro tip, you're always going to use a gel liner in the waterline to make sure that you don't have any bleeding. This liner is so creamy and so smooth, I can get right in there without even irritating her eye.
I'm not irritated.
Now, if you're not great at doing liquid liner on your top line, I love using a gel pen and blending it out for that, pro look. Let me show you how to do it. I'm gonna work on one eye at a time because these gel liners do dry down on their own, so you don't have a lot of playtime. You wanna make sure you get in there and blend as soon as you put it on. So I'm just going in now, staying really close to her lash line, and then I'm gonna take a brush and just go in and blend this out. And I'm gonna cheat a little bit, take it on the corner, and then I'm gonna take my brush and pull it out like this. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna give me that cat eye effect. It's gonna pull the eyes out this way really beautifully, really pretty, really soft, really effortless. We've defined the eyes, made them more sultry, more smoldering, without overpowering the whole look. So now you know how to apply eyeliner like a pro. So if you're a beginner, gel liner is going to be your friend. It's way easier to use, less mess, and you just come out with beautiful looking eyes. And don't be scared. This is not your average liquid liner. This is gel, so if you mess up, you can just smudge it out, blend it out, and you still look like you know what you're doing, sis, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam Bag and BoxyCharm. Use the link below. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.